Hi friends, here we are conducting an experiment to improve the shear strength of M sand by adding different proportion of grout, which is a mixture of clay and water.
This is the direct shear apparatus on which we are conducting the experiment. Here there is a space to provide the shear box. This is the dial gauge and this one is the proving reed from which the readings are taken. Here we have a hand wheel for providing horizontal force, and this is the loading frame using which the normal load is applied.
The shear box apparatus, which has an upper and lower half. First we are placing the base plate, over which grating plate is provided in such a way that it is perpendicular to the movement of upper plate. It is fixed using shear pin. Now sample is added to the box in 3 layers. Each layer is damped 25 times in order to compact it. Over the top of sample, another grating plate is provided so that the grates are buried to the sample. Now place the pressure pad on the top of grating plate. Then place the shear box on the apparatus. Adjust the dial gauge and proving ring and set them to read 0. Apply normal load and remove the shear pin. Now horizontal load is applied. Since the horizontal load is being attached to the lower half of the shear box apparatus, the failure occurs due to the movement of the lower half of the shear box only. Upper half remains stationary. Then take proving ring reading corresponding to dial gauge reading.
Grout selected for this experiment is a mixture of clay and water. For each trial, we are taking different mixed proportions. Then mix the grout with the sample and fill the shear box as explained. After a few minutes, carry out the experiment for
M sand without grout, from the reading obtained, a graph was plotted between shear strength and normal stress, and from the graph the values of C and phi obtained was 0 and 20 degree respectively. And for the load applied of 0.5 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength obtained is 0.265 kg per centimeter square, and for the load of 1 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength is 0.531 kg per centimeter square, and for the load of 1.5 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength is 0.791 kg per centimeter square. And for the M sand with grout, from the reading obtained, a graph was plotted between shear stress and normal stress, and from the graph the values of C and phi obtained are 0.22 and 36 degree respectively. For the load of 0.5 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength is 0.583 kg per centimeter square, and for the load of 1 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength is 0.946 kg per centimeter square, and for the load of 1.5 kg per centimeter square, the shear strength is 1.309.
Hence we can conclude that shear strength almost double for a grout containing 54.6 gram of clay and 40.95 ml of water.